Hey, I'm Walter Van Dusen. I have my tow hitch that I had installed by Auto Engineering in Lexington, Mass. And today I'm going to open up my 1-up single with add-on using my JerryRigEverything knife that I purchased from Jerry. I like his YouTube channel. And we're going to see how this is. Nice. So the bottom one, I believe, yep, this is the tow hitch one. Put everything out to the side, like they said in the video. Take the tow hitch out. Set to undo the blue. Also set to remove paper. Once you rotate, and you rotate these back, looks like there's a piece of little tape on there. Which is the ball that goes into the tow hitch. I got this 1-up. It's in stock. I have a Volkswagen Golf R. This is a torque lift, which has a relatively small footprint. You only see is the square 2-inch in the back. So you're supposed to place it in. I'm going to lock it. Inside of here should be a Allen wrench with a hole in it. Which I have two, since I have two. And from what I saw in the video, you should shake it a little bit. And that's locked in pretty well. Then I should also have a lock What's cool is they're all keyed the same, which I really like. going to put the lock on. Which has this little cap. Looks like it's supposed to stay on. Lock is on. Now I'm going to shake it. Using this key. So you're supposed to be able to come down here. Pull it. Lock it in. So I just wanted to lock it down there. So you can't lift this arm, which is a little difficult to do anyway. Make adjustments to the tow hitch, Super Duty. You bring this back, and then you're supposed to be able to do this, and then it locks into place. Back up, lock into place. Safety is you do this, and that locks in the arm so you can't move it. I have the one-up hitch pretty close to the car. Not a lot of gap, so that makes me happy. This is the one-up USA fully open.